today in this COVID-19 era, you probably observed and watching that in every every sector or every domain of the every domain of the whole the departments or the activities, the industrial engineering practices are implementing, and on the basis of that, the industrial engineering is growing. I just like to define the industrial engineering is it is concerned with the design, improvement, and installation of integrated system of main material equipment. It draws upon this specialization knowledge and skills in the mathematical, physics, social science, science and technology together with the principles and method of engineering analysis and design to specify, predict, and evaluate the result to be obtained from the overall systems. And that's why today we are jumping into the different kind of mode for our teaching learning. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor has given a very provoking thought as far as the overall implementation and execution of the teaching learning practices. And he also concluded his talk with this: it should not end with the corona. Obviously it will go, corona will end at a particular point of time, but in this particular era, we faculty, our students, our administrator, our management are learning so many kind of things through this particular kind of the teaching learning practices. And obviously we have to go further with this practice, since it is very comfortable, and we have to learn ourselves a different kind of platform. Those are available for this teaching learning practices, and this is also one of the application of the industrial engineering. At last but not least, I would like to appeal all the faculty members and students. They have to take the membership of this triple I, that is the Indian Institute of Industrial Engineering. We are taking this particular institutions as a professional institution with the help of our all stakeholders, with the help of all national council member, chairman of a various chapter, chairman at national council, secretary of national council, the office bearer, to at a particular level, to get it explore to and reach to each and every institution and get the benefit of these institutions to the students fraternity as well as teaching fraternity. At last, I would like to thank to our my friend Principal Bukade sir, and our Professor Kale, Professor Deshmukh, and other the team of the organizing team of the Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology, Warsaw, for giving me to explore my thought with regard to this triple I. Thank you so much, and stay safe, stay home, take care. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Shinde,
Thank
for
you.
giving. Thank you, sir, for giving information about triple I and its work. It was very useful information, sir. Now I request Professor Sunil Khachne to deliver the vote of thanks. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct, sir.
Over to you,
Can I have
Bukade,
a
sir.
small pause?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Khachne, sir, just I'm requesting for a minute to you, all of you, to please put on pause.
Yes,
I would like to have some dialogue with Shinde, sir. Shinde, sir, may I request you to please unmute yourself?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, you have given a good elaboration of triple I, and we know you since long, and as one of the great good academicians also. Since our Vice Chancellor had some busy schedule and he has to then look after his assignment, so there were certain questions. There's one question, because I am very much aware about your expertise in controlling the examinations. You brought a lot of reforms there. So there was one question from one of the participants on which I would like to have certain discussion from the members present over here. So I request you, can you have some kind of, what do you feel that in coming days, this question was asked to me. This question was asked on the behalf of one of the participants, Professor Vaibhav Naravane. He comes from KJ Somaiya College of Engineering, Vidyavir, which is A graded by NAC, and is also having NBA accredited institute. And the participant has asked me, that is Professor Vaibhav Naravane has asked me, what are the challenges in conduction of practical online as well as offline post-COVID? So I would like to have some discussion taken up on this, and I would like to open this discussion from your end. What can you propose in this area? Once you do it, I would like to have a small say which our Vaibhav sir can, our Professor Vaibhav speaks on it. So, Shinde sir, may I request you to please
Yes.
let us have something known from your side on that.
Yes. Sir, as far as the UGC guideline is concerned, because we have to respect our authorities, that is the University Grant Commission, AICT, then Government of Maharashtra, and our university. In this particular flow, it is observed that for this particular point of time, we have to carry out our the teaching learning practices through the online mode. So we are doing that from last 1.5 month or 2 month rather, that we are delivering our lectures on the online mode by various platforms, whatever is available to us. Now the question is that, and even further, the guidelines is like that, you have to go with the 30-70% or 40-60% mode. That is 30 to 40% we have to go online, and remaining 60% go with the kind of practical batches at the institution level. We don't know at this point of time when this corona will go, and then the normal situations come into the existence, and we will adopt or we will carry out our the existing practices. But there is a concern at the all faculty members, students, and all the stakeholders, and rather the administrators, how to carry out this practical kind of work. Now, in my own personal opinion is concerned, because in the last 1 month, when we are facing this particular difficulty, there is one component, that is the industrial visit. And industrial visit is very much mandatory in few of the subjects. If you will take the example of mechanical engineering or in other subjects also. So in that case, what I did, I asked my faculty to have a virtual kind of the audio, a virtual kind of video of a particular industry. Either it's a power plant, it is the chilling tower, it is the automobile
Kamran sir,
industry,
तुम्ही
refrigeration plant.
अनम्यूट करून घ्या आणि व्हिडिओ ऑन करून घ्या. मी तुम्हाला बोलतो.
And in that case, what we have informed the faculty, that particular video you have to observe first, and you can send it to the student. And we are requesting the students, rather instructing the students, that video they have to go very seriously. They have to visit that complete infrastructure of the industry. They have to understand each and every practice or the operation of that particular industry, and prepare a 2 to 3 pages report on the basis of that. So this is the kind of practice which we have to follow. In the similar manner, there are certain kind of the audio video, those are available on YouTube, or rather we have to create as a teacher nowadays. We can go to our college, we can go as a single person into our laboratories, create some kind of the practical demonstration, and that demonstration we have to upload in the form of YouTube. And this is the need of time to understand or to provide the practical knowledge to the student. So in this particular way, we can fulfill this particular criteria as far as the practicality is concerned, or the practical aspects are concerned. So this is my views. I don't know the how the other can think about it, and what the new version will come in this regard, with the help of the others thought process also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. That was all quite enlightening to all of us. May I request Professor Vaibhav Naravne, is there anything he want to say?
Uh, Good morning to all. Thank you, Shinde sir, for the clarification. And it was very good idea to use the virtual videos and taking the what students have learned from that. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We have one among the very renowned personality with us, and he is serving in the government sector, Professor Dinesh Kamre. He is head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering in Government Polytechnic, Bandra. So I request our technical team, please permit his video on and audio on. Kamre sir, if you can, if you are listening me, please put your video and audio on. Hello. Professor Kamble, are you available? Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Kale sir, from our side, Professor Kamble.
Yeah, please put your video and audio on, sir. Bokade sir has asked you. He wanted to.
It seems. Sir,
I think
he
has left
is
because of
he
network
has
issue.
left. I think because of
Yeah.
network issue. If he's trying, he comes back. We will get him joined.
Because of no, actually, host, please put him on audio and video. He's telling he's not able to join.
No, but it seems that he is
He is
out
not.
of the meeting now because of technical reason. Kale sir,
Join
you
the
please
meeting
tell
again.
him that because he is out of the meeting
Please
right
join the
now.
meeting again, sir. Using that ID. Please join.
Admit him. Admit him. He is entering. Please admit him. Kamble sir, you can please switch on your video and audio. We have permitted from our end. Good morning, Kamble sir.
Good morning, Dr.
How are you?
Okade sir. I am fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Okay, I am good, sir. I am good.
It's
So
great pleasure. After a long, I am seeing you online, and it's a really
you, sir.
nice
Thank you. Thank you.
inaugural function. I enjoyed the thoughts shared by Dr. Uddhav Bhosle, sir, Vice Chancellor. It was amazing, excellent. I got enlightened, and I hope every participant got enlightened by his thoughts. And it's really necessary in this era of this pandemic due to Corona COVID virus. I'm really, delighted to join your FDP. It's very nice and very nice
you, sir.
organization of this online meet. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We are very happy to have you on with us. Dr.
Yes, sir.
Kamble, I introduced him. Dr. Kamble is working with government. He is head of department at Government Polytechnic for Mechanical Engineering Department. So I hope, sir, you will be with us for all 5 days and
Yes,
we'll
sir,
have a
yes.
very good interaction. Thank you
Yes,
so
sir,
much.
yes, sir. Yes,
Over
sir.
to you, Kamble, sir. Now you can please go ahead as you have planned.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Kamble,
you.
sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Kalis.
Okay. Now I request Professor Sunil Khasne, sir, to deliver the vote of thanks. So over to you, Khasne, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Rajesh Kare. Hello, everyone. This is Professor Sunil Khachne, coordinator of FDP. I feel privileged to propose vote of thanks to all the dignitaries and eminent participants who have witnessed the inaugural of 1 week FDP on engineering education and industry, a post-COVID-19 perspective, jointly organized by III Mumbai chapter and MCT's Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology, Mumbai. Today, my words are not enough to express the gratitude on behalf of our institute and management to thank our own Dr. Uddhav Bhosle, Honorable Vice Chancellor Swami Ramanand Tirth, Marathwada University, Nanded, who is also the former principal of our renowned institute for more than a decade, for igniting the minds of our team and to be the keynote speaker come inaugural chief guest. I also thank you, sir, for enlightening the audience with your words of wisdom and motivation to handle post-COVID-19 situation. I would like to thank our beloved principal, Dr. Sanjay Bokade, for all his words that radiated a source of energy within all of us, right from planning to execution, I would like to thank him. We are grateful for your continuous support throughout. I express my gratitude to all the members of advisory board for their timely advice and good suggestions for framing the entire FDP. My special thanks to Dr. Vilas Shinde, former controller of examinations and former registrar and director university for Amit University for a brief glance about III Mumbai chapter. My heartfelt thanks to our head of departments, faculty members, and non-teaching staff members for their continuous support. We cannot forget our esteemed participants, without whose presence the inaugural and keynote address would not be possible. Finally, I thank conveners of this FDP, Dr. Sanjay Deshmukh, Vice Principal, and Dr. Rajesh Kale for their continuous efforts and guidance for preparation and execution of various activities. I also thank my colleague, Professor Satyanarayan Sadala, coordinator of FDP, and the technical team members for their invaluable contribution. Thank you once again. Stay home, stay safe, and have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Khasne. The vote of thanks. Thank you very much, sir. Dear participants, we will have a lunch break now. The next session is by Dr. Karunakaran, an eminent professor at IIT Mumbai. He has an expertise in the field of rapid prototyping, CNC technology, CAD/CAM, and computer graphics. He has successfully completed many projects and conducted many training programs for faculty and corporate people. I request you all to join us for the session, which is at 1 p.m. The link is already sent to you. With this, our inaugural function of FDP ends here. I request you all to join us for the national anthem. Priyanka madam.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Hello. So we can end the meeting here.
Meeting forward, right? No?
Can we end the meeting here?